Learning Strand 2 Scientific and Critical Thinking Skills. Title: Reproductive System Changes During Puberty. Learning Competency: Describe the changes that occur during puberty. School learning level: Junior high school. Learners, are you ready? Have you experienced having a bad body odor, especially at your armpit? Or having an awful pimples in your face? Don't get mad, it's normal. These are the signs that you are in puberty stage. What is puberty stage? Puberty is the process of which the body changes and matures into an adult, capable of sexual production. These changes during puberty are caused by hormones produced in our body. These hormones are testosterone for boys and estrogen and progesterone for girls. These are two kinds of sex glands, testes for boys and ovary for girls. Here are some changes in the physical body of males during 12 to 14 years old. Number 1, voice gets deeper. Number 2, penis and testes gets bigger. Number 3, shoulder and chest becomes broader. Number 4, becomes taller, muscles get bigger and stronger. Now for the female physical body changes during 10 to 12 years old. Number 1, breasts begin to develop. Number 2, vulva, vagina, and nipples get bigger. Number 3, monthly period or menstruation starts. Number 4, become taller, body increase in size and shape. Hips and waist gets more defined. Both physical body changes. Number 1, become taller. Number 2, hair starts to grow on armpits, arms, legs, and genital area. Number 3, oily skin more likely to have acne. Changes in emotional and social. Sudden change in mood. Number 2, having a crush to the opposite sex. Number 3, having more time spent to their peers. Number 4, having matured thinking. Remember, puberty stage is very important part in our life, in which we can experience different body changes like physically, mentally, emotionally, and socially in order to prepare us to become a matured adult. To continue on learning Strand 2 Scientific and Critical Thinking Skills, let us proceed to the female reproductive system. Learning Competency: relate the structure of the reproductive system to its function, such as female reproductive system, ovaries, egg cells, fallopian tubes, uterus or womb, vagina, and cervix. The female reproductive system has an internal and external structure. It means function is the reproduction of species. Parts of the female reproductive system and its function. Ovaries, oval-shaped gland in either side of the uterus where eggs and hormones are produced and developed. Number 2, egg cell or ova carries a set of chromosomes and produce a precise environment to allow fertilization to occur. Number 3, fallopian tube, a narrow tube connected to the upper part of the uterus. The egg cell or ova travels in this tube from ovary to the uterus. It is where the egg cell becomes fertilized by the sperm cell. Number 4, uterus or womb, a pear-shaped muscular organ where implantation of the fertilized egg takes place. It develops and nourishes the fetus. Number 5, vagina. It is where the sperm cells pass through. Number 6, cervix. It is found in the lower part of the uterus. It allows menstrual blood flows from the uterus to the vagina. It is where the sperm passes through during intercourse. Now, can you draw or label the parts of the reproductive system of a female? If you encounter some difficulties in answering this module, do not hesitate to call your teacher. Basta sa ALS TV Eskwela, kaugmaon mo, kaugmaon ko. This is Teacher Agnes saying God bless and aim high, sinakaban.